In your opinion, corrupt ba si VP Binoy o hindi? In your personal opinion.
Well, ang masasabi ko lang, yung mga lahat na nagbabanat kay Binay, puro corrupt. So, sino bang pipiliin natin? Yung nangyayari lang, marami lang pera na ginastos sa mga PR para sirain si Binay. Ayan, ano. So, kung sabihin, kita mo yung answer ko, no? Lahat yan siguro, pare-pareho yan, pero sino bang piliin natin? Even itong nakaupo ngayon, Sabi sa akin ni Janet Lim Napoles, tumatanggap din sa kanya.
Kung may probability ng disqualification, grade po, sa pagtakbo niya ng senator ng 2013 because of the citizenship, it will actually favor Dick Gordon.
Yes.
Are you doing it for Dick Gordon or for anybody else? I mean, kasi ikaw yung nag-raise ng ikaw yung nag-raise ng probability.
No, I'm not doing it for anybody else. I'm just doing it for the Filipino people. Why should we choose, why should a senator be sitting when she is not qualified? Yan ang ano ko. And sa 100 million Filipino people, there's only one who can do that. It's only Dick Gordon because he's the only one who has an actionable right against Grace po.
Galaw-gaw, kay harot-harot tingnan, maliksi, di mapigil ang gaslaw. Galaw-gaw, ang lahat ginagalaw, napakaharot at pakialaw. Galaw-gaw, kung tawagin siya'y ganyan, kang karot, na trumpong tumatanan. Galaw-gaw, nakalilitong masdan, at haliparot kahit saan.